We are here to declare it today that Paul Mashatile has tried to stop this program, but the program continues. Jacob Zuma is here. We have all ground forces here. We have all youth leaders here. And we are ready to deliver Jacob Zuma. President Zuma, he is going to be a president of this country again. We are saying under this government, if you are between the age of 36 and 65, you do not have job opportunities, you do not have opportunities. Under Zuma's government, you shall have opportunities regardless of your age. The war has just begun. We are telling you now that Jacob Zuma in 2017 declared free education when a spy in the form of Cyril took power. He took away free education. We are delivering Jacob Zuma back to bring us free education. I am giving you a clarion call. His elections, he knows, even after cuddling with his wife, that these elections are about Cyril Ramaphosa and Jacob Zuma, and it is only MK that has capacity to defeat Cyril Ramaphosa. Kwa MK, asibabizi, bayasisena. We don't give people food, we don't give them t-shirts, we don't pass them. They pass themselves because this is the coming revolution. Hamandla! Hamandla! Viva Jacob Zuma, viva! Thank you very much.
Ayibuye ya Africa, compatriots, ngithanda ukuthi ngibize